Udah ya, udah mulai.
Mulai slide mulai.
Oh my god. Ini baca ini.
Slide yang atas dulu. Nggak bisa di dia.
Apa?
Yang show slide, yang kayak masuk kayak.
Oh iya.
Nah ya. Oke. Yuk. Yuk mulai yuk. 1, 2, 3. Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Aku jelek deh.
Olivia. Mic-nya matiin dulu satu-satu. Olivia dulu. Olivia mulai.
Olivia nggak ada suaranya.
Olivia nggak ada suaranya?
Bentar. Suaranya tahu. Good night everyone. My name is Olivia. As the host of this. Ada suaranya nggak?
Lanjut.
Ada suaranya nggak?
Ada.
Ya. Good night everyone. My name is Olivia. As the host of this webinar. In this webinar, we will discuss something that is being discussed by the public, namely Omicron. What does Omicron mean? Is Omicron dangerous? How to prevent Omicron? To find out all that, let's take a look at Omicron explanation from our presenter. Udah.
Gue ya. Kak, gue bukan? Nggak. Lu. Dra.
Vila dulu, Vila.
Oke.
Ditulis dulu yang setelahnya.
Iya. Moderator.
Mulai.
Open freeze. Hello everyone. I am Vila, the moderator of this afternoon webinar. Let me introduce myself and our presenters. I just go straight to the meaning of Omicron, which will be discussed by Indra. Next.
Okay. Next slide. Sorry.
Next.
Next again. Okay. Hello everyone. I am Indra. As a presenter, I will discuss about the meaning of Omicron. Where does it come from and what is the difference with COVID-19? Have you heard Omicron before? Let's discuss what is Omicron. The government has announced that the Omicron variant of the COVID-19 virus had been detected in Indonesia, being the last country to detect the most transmissible COVID-19 variant. The Omicron variant is a variant of the COVID-19 virus. Omicron virus is the common name used to refer to what is technically known as the B11529 variant. A variant of a virus is a new strain that emerged due to a mutation or mutations in the virus genetic structure. Use the awareness of the name Omicron variant become more common in news report and public health communication in late 2021, including those about whether it could potentially be more contagious or more severe than previous variants, such as a Delta variant. Where do you think the Omicron virus came from? An Israeli doctor who was one of the world first confirmed Omicron case said he believed he was infected with the Omicron case says he believed he was infected with the COVID-19 variant while in London. Cardiologist Elliot Mayer's theory that he caught the virus while attending a medical conference in the English capital last month has raised question about the origin of Omicron, which has a high number of mutations. The variant was first detected in a specimen collected on 9 November in South Africa. According to the World Health Organization, but the South African authorities have argued that this does not prove the new strain originate in their country, which they say is being punished instead of applaud for discovering Omicron. The BBC report, as country worldwide banned traveler from South Africa, the Virgin Ministry said the restrictions were akin to punishing South Africa for its advanced genomic sequencing, the ability to detect new variants quicker. This virus is still uncertain while it came from because there are many arguments or opinions that discuss the origin of this virus. But even though the origin of this virus is unknown, this turned out that Omicron is true. Even in Indonesia, there are already patients infected with Omicron. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I will return it to moderator Vila. Thank you, Indra.
Okay.
Vila.
Yo.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Indra, for providing understanding of and the origin of Omicron. Let's move on to the next presenter, who will discuss the speed, prevention, and symptoms of Omicron described by Farhan. Thank you. Next.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Farhan. I am presenter. I will discuss about spirit, prevention, and spreading of Omicron. Doctor said that this variant of Omicron spread very quickly and often be contagious before testing positive or after day of infection. Even this variant can spread sometimes for equation that Delta variant and symptoms are faster. So symptoms after one day of infection. Robinson, Sai, even though you figuring about vaccine. Is Omicron can so stay safe. As for the symptoms of Omicron, according to the new COVID symptoms study, he has runny nose, sneezing, persistent cold, sore throat, loss of smell. 10. Theory also to prevent this Omicron. 1. Vaccinates exclusively while vaccinated or 2 doses at vaccination service center. I always implement health protocol, shoe are wearing masks, maintaining distance, washing hands, avoid clone and stay at home. Stay at, but don't panic about COVID due the Omicron variant. It screens the body immune system by consuming nutrient food, while eating fruits, vegetables, and vitamins. After traveling abroad, be obedient to self-isolation. Thank you.
Okay. Sudah?
Next, Olivia. Yuk, closing yuk.
To help our
Olivia nggak ada
country. So how do you know what is Omicron? To help our country free from this virus, let's be health protocols. I hope we are health and always protected from various virus, and our beloved country Indonesia can fully recover. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you for everyone's attention. Sorry if there some mistake. That's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.